Hi everybody, Rick here again with page 25 out of the Tenor Saxophone book. So we will cover page 25 today. At the top of the page there is a new note, and that is low E. So the fingering is the same as the upper E that we've already learned. The only difference would be that you play that note without the thumb key, so without the octave or thumb key. Otherwise, it's going to be the same. So 3 fingers of the left hand, no thumb, first 2 fingers of the right hand. And this is on the bottom line of the staff, and the name of the note is E, and it should sound like this. All right. First song is called, that's rap number 107. Remember to pay attention to the slur marks, and we do have a forte F at the beginning. Check your key signature, like always. 1, 2, 3, 4. Note the breath mark at the end of measure 6. It needs to be a quick one because you do have 2 quarter notes in a row and you're at the end of a slur. So a quick breath in. Try not to cut that note right before the breath mark off too much, but you do have to cut it off just a little bit early in order to sneak the breath in, and then be ready on beat 1 of the next measure and not be late. All right, number 108 is Polly Wolly Doodle. So there are 2 lines to this song, 2 lines of music. The top one is notes for the tenor saxophone, and the bottom one is stomping your foot and clapping your hands. There is a pickup in the first measure, which is incomplete. There is only 1 beat in that measure. And if you look at the very end of the song, the last measure has 3 beats. So there's that 4th beat from that last measure. And there is a first ending and a second ending and a repeat sign. So I will first play the tenor saxophone part. I need to slow down the metronome because we have quite a few 8th notes. I think we'll go here. All right, so remember to come in on beat 4. Notice the key signature of B flat. 1, 2, 3. And then I will do the foot stomping and the clapping. So what you can do is first learn the song, of course. First learn the song, of course, on the tenor saxophone. And then while I'm playing, you can do the clapping and foot stomping. And then when I'm doing the foot stomping and clapping, you can do the playing and see if you can make it all line up together. The pickup in the foot stomping and hand clapping is a rest, but you still have to account for it. We will start the foot stomping on beat 1 though here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me mention just a couple of things on the foot stomping and hand clapping. So anything with the stems going down is to stomp your foot. Anything with the stem going up is clapping. In the very last measure, you'll see the stems go both ways on beats 1, 2, and 3. So that would mean foot stomp and hand clap together. Good luck on that one. Vulgar Boat Song is the next one. As always, check your key signature. They are changing quite a bit now in the book. And there's a repeat sign at the end of this one, so make sure you take that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we have 110, and we have 2 lines of music again. The top is for hand clapping, the bottom is for knee slapping. Notice for the knee slapping that there is only 1 measure filled in, and so you can make up your own rhythm using quarter notes, quarter rests, half notes, half rests, eighth notes, whatever you'd like to do. So what I will do is do the hand clapping, and then you can, at home, add the knee slapping and make up your own rhythm and try them together. So here is, once again, hand clapping, top line of music, number 110. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at the bottom we have a Go for Excellence. Remember, Go for Excellence selections, probably a little more challenging, so you might need to take a little more time to work on this one and practice it. And I will slow down the metronome a little bit. There are quite a few eighth notes. Check your key signature so you know which F to play, whether it's F natural or F sharp, and which B to play, whether it's B natural or B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Good luck, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.